Today we're going to do a demonstration on liquid chlorine dioxide and why our product is so much superior to our competition. Almost all our competition uses sodium persulfate to activate chlorine dioxide. Sodium persulfate is very dangerous, very corrosive, and it oxidizes test strips, and it does not produce pure chlorine dioxide like our product does. Best way to test what parts per million chlorine dioxide does is you use Lamont test strips. They're basically the standard for the industry. What I'm going to do, take some sodium persulfate, not even a lot, just a little bit, mix it up in water. Then I'm going to take my proprietary product, mix it up in water, and the way it should work is the test strip should stay white like that, and that'll prove that there is no chlorine dioxide in the water, because all we're doing is basically putting our proprietary product in. Hold it in there for 2 seconds, pull it out, test strip is still 0. Now what happens is, with everybody else's product, to activate chlorine dioxide, you put it in the water, 2 seconds, pull it out, it oxidizes it and turns it basically black or brown. That proves that you do not get pure chlorine dioxide by using this acid in making chlorine dioxide. When our company decided to make a chlorine dioxide, we were going to use the same products, the same acid all our competition was going to use. So we realized, after doing all the testing, that we're not getting pure chlorine dioxide, and we're basically getting a lot of junk in the chlorine dioxide, so the test strips were not coming out right. So we did a lot of testing and a lot of R&D to find out the best product to use. In the red bottle, we basically made our product, which is pure chlorine dioxide between 200 and 250 parts per million. I'm going to pour a little bit out of that one. In the red bottle, I used one of my competition's product to make chlorine dioxide. Now, what I'm going to do, this is our product. I'm going to stick the strip in for 2 seconds, pull it out. Then I'm going to hold it right up to here, and it'll show, you got a nice blue. You're at about 200 parts per million. Now, this is my competition's product. I hold it in there for 2 seconds, pull it out. It gets basically clear black or almost brownish. Hold it up here, and it's basically oxidized the strip. You can't really tell what parts per million you got. So you actually don't have pure chlorine dioxide there. It took us over 2.5 years of research and development just to design the perfect way to make chlorine dioxide liquid and get away from using these harsh chemicals to produce it. We made a very environmentally friendly liquid chlorine dioxide. You can click on the videos that'll best suit you for your problem, and we'll show you how to make pure chlorine dioxide in 22 ounces, 32 ounces, 1 gallon, and 2 gallons. And if someone calls us up and needs a bigger amount, we've got our lab. We can formulate a product to make it in larger volumes.